Here I've got Lenovo S5 and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you have to locate and open let's find accounts, users and accounts, here they are, and now as you can see you are logged in with some particular Google account. In my case it's HardReset.Info 1, so let me open it, and if you would like to delete this account, simply click on remove account. Now confirm that you would like to get rid of this user by tapping on remove account. And this is all. This is how you can remove Google account from your device, from your Lenovo. And now if you would like to add some user, add some Google account, simply open the settings one more time, pick users and accounts, go to add account. Meanwhile, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, because otherwise it will be not possible to log in with your Google account. Let's pick Google then. And now your device is checking all the information. And it's time to use your email address or phone number to log in with your Google account. If you don't have one yet, simply click on create account and then follow the steps presented there. But I do have Google account and I will log in with my email address, which is hardreset.info1@gmail.com. And click on next. Now you can enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And then click on next. And here you can come along with all Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service and privacy policy, and then click on I agree if you do. And here, as you can see, you can come along with some Google features and tap accept to confirm your selection or these Google services settings. And that's it. As you can see, now it is added, so you can use it in your Lenovo S5. And that would be all. This is how you can remove and add Google account to this Android device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.